Hey everybody. I'd just like to say thank you to Steel and Pipes George, Haikoki, Pinnacle, who assisted with getting this beautiful sculpture done at the Car and Car. Steel and Pipes George, amazing. Thank you very, very much. But a really big special thank you to the 80-year-old girl, to the 80-year-old man. I forget everybody's names. To the two special needs kids who came and welded on this sculpture. We had over 50 people who came and assisted with us. For those who had never sculpted before, I hope that you go get yourself a welder and get addicted, like I am, to melting metal. And watch the space for when Wim Piet from Oudtshoorn, gemaakt vir die KAK&K is finished, and we'll post it. Have a good day.